So one of the big changes we did this past winter in refit was change how information is displayed on the boat. And information while you're sailing is super important. There's all kinds of data that is coming into this boat for display. So primarily we have wind information in terms of wind speed, wind direction. We have all kinds of sensors on the boat. We have bob stay forces. We have foil rake positions. We have tension in the D0s, for example. So lots of different numbers to look at on the boat. Lots of settings as well. So what are the targets for heel, for trim, for keel angle? We also have navigation screens we want to see. So where are we going? How are we getting there? On the navigation screens shows AIS, the position of other boats. We have radar. We have cameras looking forward. All kinds of stuff. Lots of information to be seen and to go through. We also have controls. So we want to be able to control the keel, the autopilot overlays in terms of our exoset system. And so there's a lot to figure out where it goes. And so we've done a bit of optimization to try to keep things in one place so you can see it all and get at it when you're actually driving the boat. So this is the primary, I guess we'll call it helm station, if we will, navigation station. It's also the best seat in the house and where I'll be spending a lot of time. So I have my most important controls here for the keel, the autopilot, and the overlays. I can also from here see the screen, which we've put on a articulating arm. You can go from one side to the other. So we move it. So I'd have it in that position on this side of the boat. And I can see all my settings, different displays. And I also have this screen, which I can lock in place. And this is my prime navigation screen. So I'll have Adrena running on that. And I can get weather on here, and I can figure out the routings and all of that from this touch screen that I have right at my fingertips. Then if I tack the boat, I can jump over to the other side, flip the screen, and I get over here, and I can still have that screen over there to see. So I can even have a different display. I could put one of the safety systems up there, flip this over, and I have essentially the same setup on this side. And I'll show you a really cool thing that I have. It's my ability to go down below here and see screens from bed. Another display system down here where I can get any of the screens up there at my fingertips down here. One of the spots you can sit is on the seat here to get down below if you like. But another prime spot is in bed. You have to unlock this, pull it out, and then jump into bed. And from the comfort of my bed, I can navigate, control the boat, the keel, the autopilot, check the weather, check that I'm going where I think I'm going, and then go back to sleep. So, some pretty neat upgrades to the boat and how things work in terms of the display of information when we're sailing as fast as we can to get from point A to point B.